Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Raina, Raksha. Everybody open your cameras. Hurry up. Yes?
Good morning.
Good
Ma'am,
morning,
morning, ma'am.
Akshay. Good morning,
Ma'am,
everyone.
ma'am, today can we do English creative writing?
Beta, but we have to complete the chapter now that we were doing.
Ma'am, we have done personal narrative in creative writing.
Yes, we have done. We have done. Why? Why are you asking that?
Ma'am, because I am not done.
Ashray, have you
Ma'am,
not
can we
done
do English
topics?
creative
Okay, wait.
writing?
Ashray, wait. Have you not done topics like my favorite sport, my favorite after school activity, who is my favorite person?
Ma'am, my favorite that one.
Yes, these are all personal narratives. This is about your personal liking. You narrate your things. That is personal narrative.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
और कौन सा है character profile?
Then one was my favorite cartoon character, and then you had to describe your cartoon, your favorite cartoon character. That was character development, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now you remember? Now will you say that, ma'am, I have not done personal narratives? Will you say
Ma'am,
that?
can we do English creative writing in this class? Ma'am, you
Um,
sent
listen, now listen to me. Tomorrow again we have a class. Do one thing. We'll complete the chapter of SST today. Okay? Till where have we done? Tell me.
Ma'am, tell the fill in the fill. Fill in the. Ma'am, we have done till fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks. We have done A and B exercise both. We have done both the exercises, right? Now hurry up and let's come to the C exercise. I'll share screen with you.
Ma'am, please wait 5 minutes. Exercise in notebook also.
What?
Ma'am, we do the exercise in notebook also.
Yes, yes. We will do C exercise also in the notebook. We will do it. What? Yes. Beta, I'm sharing screen with you. We are doing SST work. Question answers and fill in the blanks. We will do that. Is that fine? Yes.
Ma'am, we will do complete the sentences.
Yes. We will do complete the following sentence. Now, children,
Ma'am, in
what?
copy and book.
Beta, in the copy, we are doing it.
My assessment was submitted.
Okay, you have submitted your notebook.
Ma'am,
Do one thing, beta. Those who have submitted the notebook.
ma'am, those.
Can I speak? Will you let me speak? Those who have submitted the notebook can take a screenshot. Is it clear? Take a screenshot, keep it with you, and from 1st to 5th, you have holidays. Do you know that? You have school holidays from 1st to 5th of July.
Yes, ma'am.
You can complete the work then.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are holidays. Ma'am, who's that have submitted the copy can also write in the pin page, the middle page, or not?
Beta, if you want to write in a page, you can write, or just take a screenshot, and when your copy will be returned to you, you can do it in your copy. Now start doing the work.
Ma'am, we have to do this in notebook or book. Ma'am, I am writing these in rough copy because I am.
Beta, wherever you want to write, write. Okay, now it's your choice.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do this work in our in our book or notebook.
Beta, you have to do it in your notebook.
Ma'am, I have done. Sorry.
Very nice, Beta. Very good.
Ma'am, what we have to do? I joined late because of my network problem.
Beta, see, I have shared this screen with you. You have to do this work in your social studies copy. Before this work, you have done exercise A and exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start doing this one now.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Ma'am, I have written Kanav.
Very nice. Now, children, after this, we'll do answer the following questions in brief.
Ma'am, I am doing coloring. Ma'am, please show from start. I have to take a screenshot. Ma'am, please show from start. Ma'am, please beg. Ma'am, please clear up. Ma'am, please show the first one. And name the four major domains of the Earth. And ma'am, you can share. Ma'am, what is the heading?
Beta, the heading of C exercise is complete these sentences. The heading of the C exercise.
Please show the answer one. The answer one.
Wait, beta, wait.
Domains. The name the four domains.
Now, those who have joined the class late, I'm not going to scroll up the screen for you. The time was 10:40 to join the class. Now do the work from here and leave 5-6 lines if you have missed the above points.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am asking what is the question number 1, fourth word.
Name the 4 major domains of the earth. Major.
Thank you, ma'am, for telling me. Ma'am, please roll up.
What?
Ma'am, I have done.
Done?
The four major domain of the earth are Excuse me, ma'am, please show the second one. Answers.
Beta, the second answer is on the next screen.
Ma'am, I have done.
I'll change the screen after 2 minutes. Let everybody write and then I'll change the screen.
In chapter of earth, there are only 4 key points.
Beta, the above ones are not key points. They are complete the sentences. That is exercise 3. I made you write 20 key points.
Okay. Ma'am, I have written Kanav Mittal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I was late. Can you please tell me what we
Ma'am,
are
please
doing?
send me WhatsApp group. Ma'am, please send us in WhatsApp group.
I will send it after the class, not right now. We are doing exercise C and exercise D today of chapter number 5, Varshita.
Okay, ma'am.
Now start doing from exercise D. Leave a little space for exercise C and start doing from the D exercise.
Ma'am, please send on WhatsApp group. Ma'am, please send the question answers in D group. The four major domains of the earth.
Children, I will share the work on D group. Please don't worry. Right now, I
Excuse me,
have
ma'am.
shared this page on 4th C group. Varshita, you can see the 4th C group. I have shared the work.
Ma'am, I'm asking that is this much space okay for the question C?
Beta, that is what I am saying now. I have shared the work. See from there how many lines you have to leave. Go and open the 4th C group.
Ma'am, please show the next answer.
Ma'am, what is the next answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please show the next answer.
wait. Ma'am, please send the.
We have removed the screen.
Please show a big screen.
Beta, wait. I am showing the next answer. This is not the next one. Don't start writing it. Just wait. Let me come on to the correct page. We have done C exercise right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done C exercise and D exercise.
My God, there is no picture. Okay, wait, beta. Till then, all of you, please write question number 2. I'll just share screen with you. Give me 2
Ma'am,
minutes. I'm sharing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write that what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a complex community of living and non-living things functioning as a single unit.
I have shared the second question on the class group, children. Now I'm sharing it here also on the screen. Just wait, give me a minute. All of you can see it now?
Yes, ma'am, it is low.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Oh, it's
Ma'am,
gone?
the answer is gone.
Okay. Just a minute, children. Just
Ma'am,
a
this
minute.
is the photo of book.
Okay, now see.
Ma'am, we have deleted the WhatsApp group.
Yes, I have deleted beta. I'll send it again. Just wait, I'll send it again.
Ma'am, I saved it.
Okay, very nice. Okay, children, see, I have sent it again. Check the class group. Yes, Shobit, what do you want to say?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, please send the first one question.
I have already sent it on the class group. Just check the group.
Ma'am, already sent.
Ma'am, there is a no. Ma'am, please again send.
Ma'am, I have sent it again.
Beta, I have also sent it again. Palvini, you're in 4th C only, na? I hope you're not checking any other group.
No, ma'am, I am in 4th year 4D group.
Ma'am, I sent it 4 times.
Ma'am, I am on last answer.
And ma'am, I am also last question.
Ma'am, I have done. Excuse me, ma'am, please show the question 2. Ma'am, I have
What, beta?
written Kan of Metal. Ma'am, I have done Kan of Metal.
Very nice. Now, how many are still doing this screen?
Ma'am, I have Ma'am, I just Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done. Today we will do this only.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I will share. Okay, be quiet. I will share the next screen also with you once you do this one. There are 20 minutes left, so I'm sure you can do the next question also.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please answer the following question in detail.
ma'am, in front of answer 4, can we draw this diagram which is of carbon dioxide, other gases, oxygen, nitrogen?
Which diagram? Okay, beta, you can draw it. Yes, you can draw it there. Now, how many are still doing this screen? I want to know.
Ma'am, I am doing from WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, please tell answer 4.
Which answer 4, beta? It is there on the screen.
Ma'am, please read out the answer 4.
Okay. The gases found in the atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, helium, argon, and carbon dioxide.
Thank you, ma'am.
After 3 minutes, I'm going to change the screen. Is that fine with all of you? Right after 3 minutes. Hurry up and finish this screen.
Ma'am, I have done.
Beta, if you want to draw the pie diagram, the pie chart given of gases found in the atmosphere, you can draw. If you want to draw that diagram.
Ma'am, please change the screen. I have done.
Beta, I have to go according to all the students of the class. Okay? It's not just
Ma'am,
one
what you have
student.
written after helium?
Argon. A-R-G-O-N.
Ma'am, I have done Akshada.
Very nice. Now, can I change the screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. I'll show you now what is to be done next. We have come on which question? Question number 1. Answer the following in detail. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that. Now, in this question, children, we have to draw a diagram also. But first, we'll write the answer. And then, see, like I have left a space for diagram over here. Just because my copy is different. I am not using one side blank copy. What you will do, you will write the answer and you will draw the diagram on the blank side. Not like this, how I have done.
Ma'am,
Okay, start writing.
ma'am, this is only diagram.
This is not the diagram. I will show you the diagram also. The diagram is this. See, this is the diagram that is supposed to be drawn for this answer.
Ma'am,
Okay, this is the diagram.
ma'am, the white paper.
Yes, on the blank side. On the plain side, you have to draw this diagram. Now start writing the answer first. And then after writing the answer, start to draw that diagram.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have not plain paper on my notebook.
You don't have blank page.
No, ma'am.
You are not using that copy. One side blank and one side line.
Ma'am, I have not a plain white paper copy.
Okay, better then draw it under it like how I have written. You can draw it here only. Above or below the answer, anywhere.
Ma'am, I have not received.
Beta, I'm showing you the screen. Can you not see the screen?
Ma'am, they are saying that they are doing in rough notebook as their notebook are submit.
Okay, then you can take a screenshot also, and when the school gets off, like 5 days holiday, you can do it then. Is it fine? If you want, you can take a screenshot right now.
Ma'am, do you know how to take screenshot in laptop?
What?
Ma'am, do you know how to take screenshot in laptop?
How to take screenshot in laptop?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, in answer 1, we have to write diagram of layer of lithosphere.
No, you don't have to write it.
There is a but.
Let me speak one by one, please. You don't have to write it, beta. You have to straight away draw it. I have not drawn it. I have written it for you that you are supposed to draw a diagram. Is that clear? And you have to draw it on the blank side.
Ma'am, but what is written the lithosphere has 4 layers? You have to write this.
Yes, you have to write
Ma'am,
the
please
answer.
scroll down. Ma'am, please scroll down.
Off to click
Ma'am,
a
this is answer 1. We have to write the lithosphere has 4 layers.
Describe the 4 layers. That's the question. So now start writing the answer.
please show the
Ma'am, scroll up. Ma'am, please scroll up.
Beta, what is above it? There is nothing above it. Where do you want me to scroll?
Excuse me, ma'am. The answer is the lithosphere has 4 layers.
And beta, you can see so many things written under it. The lithosphere has 4 layers. I have described each layer. That's the answer.
And we cannot write a diagram of layers of lithosphere.
No, you will not write diagram. You will straight away draw the diagram.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, please read out first point.
The layer on which we live is called the crust. It is made up of soil, rocks, and solid particles.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am asking. We have to draw diagram in question 1 in details which you have sent in the group.
Yes, the one I have sent in the class group, you have to draw that in front of answer 1. On the blank side, you have to draw this diagram.
Okay, ma'am.
And you know, Babera Sogi, hearing. I don't want bad handwriting. And if I found it with you, that will be really very bad.
Who is unmuted in class?
Ma'am, please scroll down. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I've done Kanav Mittal.
Very nice. Now start drawing the diagram.
Ma'am, only this much.
No, beta, there is more in continuation to this. But first, write this one. I'm not changing the screen right now. Let everybody write till here.
Ma'am, in second point,
I have
what
done
is
something.
life?
Very nice, beta. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, in second point, what you have written after the layer that lies?
Under the ocean beds. The layer that lies under the ocean beds and continents.
Ma'am, please read the third full point.
The core is the central part of the lithosphere. It is made up of iron and nickel.
Thank you. Ma'am, I have done, so I made the diagram.
Yes, beta. Now start making the diagram.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done Shaurya.
Now you want me to share the diagram screen with all of you, or you will draw it yourself?
No, ma'am.
This is what you're supposed to draw.
Ma'am, this diagram is on book. That is on book also, so please don't share. Ma'am, I will share answer too.
I am not sharing answer
Ma'am,
2
this
right
diagram
now.
is in book also.
Yes.
I was writing the
Beta,
points. Please check
okay.
back.
I'll share answer 1. Don't worry, but I'm not sharing answer 2 right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Just wait, it has disappeared. Yes, here it is.
Ma'am, today we will do only answer 1 only.
Ma'am, in second
Yes,
question also we draw
beta.
diagram.
Children, today we will do answer 1 in detail and its diagram. And before it, we have done short answers, all the short answers.
Ma'am, in second question we have to draw diagram.
Yes, beta, you have to draw diagram. If it's written, then you have to draw.
Ma'am, then just gonna think that.
What?
Ma'am, then dispensing finish.